I'm sure you've heard the news. Airplanes don't need to flap their wings. So, how exactly do they stay up there? Let's dive into the magic of aerodynamics. Airplanes rely on the shape of their wings to create lift. When air flows over the curved top of the wing, it moves faster than the air beneath, creating lower pressure above and higher pressure below. This difference in pressure lifts the plane into the sky. But that's not all. The engines provide the thrust needed to propel the plane forward. It's this powerful combo of lift and thrust that keeps airplanes soaring smoothly through the skies. Isn't that just fascinating? It's science in motion, making the miracle of flight possible. If flying amazes you, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more sky-high adventures.